In the early 1960s, the Tokyo region began to change from the traditional Japanese toilets to Western-style ones. This was in preparation for the approaching invasion of sports fans to the 1964 Tokyo Summer Olympic Games. Earlier, the Japanese toilet looked like this. To use it, one had to squat down facing the wall. After the Tokyo Olympics, the westernization of toilets spread across Japan. But even today, public toilets in new shopping malls or department stores will have at least one traditional toilet among the Western ones. Our apartment block is about 14 years old, and we have a Western-style toilet. However, I am bringing you here to see a simple notice that was on the toilet when the apartment was built. This message is to help the many old people, especially from rural areas who were moving into the cities. How to use the sitting toilet. For men peeing, open the lid and the seat. Then stand in front of the toilet. For men doing big jobs and for women, open the lid and sit on the seat with your back to the lid.